Master Power Transmission takes the promise of modern digital technology and delivers a reliable solution. So simple. Tactix. This easy-to-install system monitors equipment 24/7. Tactix provides 3-axis vibration and temperature readings for industrial rotating equipment, including bearings, gearboxes, motors, pumps, and other assets. The system calculates warning threshold levels and generates alerts following consecutive infractions. Raw data is transmitted through a gateway receiver. The analyzed data is easy to understand and can be viewed on any web-connected device. This data allows you to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance on your terms, saving you time and money. Rotating equipment is a critical part of any operation. Keeping them maintained and working properly is essential to minimizing the risk of unplanned downtime, while ensuring safety and product quality. Tactix from Master Power Transmission provides a cost-effective, state-of-the-art solution with accessible round-the-clock monitoring and reporting. Simple, reliable. Tactix.